Grasp the wit. Mastering sarcasm in informal English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Our topic for today is something a little cheeky and often misinterpreted, especially in non-native English-speaking circles. Yes, we are diving into the world of sarcasm. More specifically, we will focus on how to use sarcasm in informal settings. To kick off, let's first understand what sarcasm is. In simplest terms, sarcasm is a form of verbal irony where we say the opposite of what we mean, often in a sharp or cutting way. It's a unique blend of wit and humor, often used to express criticism or mock someone or something. A key element in delivering sarcasm is the tone of voice. Your tone needs to be distinct enough to highlight the ironic or satirical nature of your statement. Usually, this involves a change in pitch or a certain drawn-out manner of speaking. However, remember, sarcasm is context-specific and should be used carefully. Now let's move to our main topic, using sarcasm in informal settings. The informal setting could be a casual conversation with friends, a light-hearted social gathering, or maybe just a comedic banter on social media. In these contexts, sarcasm can add humor and friendly teasing to the conversation. For example, if a friend arrives late for a meeting, you might say, "Oh, look who decided to show up." Even though the words themselves seem straightforward, the tone and context make it clear that this is a sarcastic remark. While sarcasm can be a great way to add some humor to your interactions, it's important to note that it can be risky. Sarcasm, if not used properly, can come off as rude or offensive. It's all about understanding the situation, knowing the people you are interacting with, and, most importantly, delivering it in a friendly and humorous way. On the flip side, when used correctly, sarcasm can be a tool to bond with others and showcase your wit and command over the English language. And there we have it. I hope this gives you a better understanding of how to use sarcasm in informal English. Remember, sarcasm is an art. It takes practice to master. But once you get the hang of it, it can be a fun and effective way to communicate. Remember to always use sarcasm respectfully and considerately. Until our next video, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep having fun with English.